Watch this real video.
Sign element. It represents the European Central Bank, and it symbolizes the value of euro banknotes as central bank money.
And this is video after lip sync.
That while Europe has responded
And this
to
is done
a
with Video
major
Retalking,
challenge,
an
it is not
AI-powered
out
lip
of
sync
the
tool designed specifically for editing existing talking head videos. If you don't know about this tool, Video Retalking takes your original video and a new audio track, then adjusts the person's mouth movements to match the new speech. It can preserve the overall identity and appearance, while producing much more natural lip synchronization. What makes Video Retalking interesting is that it doesn't simply replace the mouth. Its pipeline first normalizes the facial expression, performs the audio-driven lip sync, and then applies face enhancement to improve the final result. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and run Video Retalking locally, how to prepare your video and audio, and most importantly, how the final lip sync results look in real-world footage. So let's get started and see what Video Retalking can actually do. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of Video Retalking with WebWe. For years this lip sync tool was best and still not too many lip sync tools are made. To install this locally you need at least 6 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.9.0 only Visual Studio and CMake is very important. Git for Windows. I have made a playlist you can watch and install these dependencies. To install on main page click on code option and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command prompt window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied. Now type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.9. Activate venv with activation code. Now go to main page of PyTorch and copy PyTorch code. Note that this only works with PyTorch 12.1. Copy 12.6 code and paste in command window. Change 126 to 121, and add torch audio before installing PyTorch. Once PyTorch installing run requirements code in command window to install requirements. Once requirements installed, go to main page and download pre-trained models. Download them all and make new folder in main folder, name it checkpoints and paste it in this folder. Now in command window run main code. This will launch VideoReTalking WebWe in your browser. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use it anytime. To use it, first upload video, make sure face is in every frame. Upload audio file, both video and audio should be of same length. Click Generate.
You that while Europe has responded to a major challenge, it is not out of the...
My biggest weaknesses is asking for help when I need it. I'd like to do better at that.
And that brings us to the end of this video retalking tutorial. As you've seen, video retalking can take an existing video and synchronize the person's lip movements with new audio, while keeping the original face and overall video appearance intact. With the right source video and audio, the results can be surprisingly natural. If you want to try it yourself, I've also included a portable version of video retalking in the description. So if you don't want to go through the entire installation process manually, you can check the link in the description and give the portable setup a try. I've also included the relevant links and resources there, so make sure to check the description before you leave. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to AI That Speaks, and turn on notifications. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next AI tutorial.